Hello and welcome to Hobby Days. In this video I'm going to show you how to achieve consistent tension and neater stitches. So these two balls have been made with the same yarn and the same hook, but this one is loose tension and this one is tight. Now I speak from experience when I say that there's nothing more frustrating than having to make several of the same piece just to get to the same size. So when I first started, I felt that I needed to wrap the working yarn around most, if not all, of my fingers to keep control. But I'm going to show you how to keep it simple, and hopefully with a lot of practice and even more patience, you'll be well on your way to consistency. So I start by holding the working yarn with these 3 fingers. And then using my index finger, I pick up the yarn. This allows me to pinch the yarn between these 2 fingers, which helps me to control my tension. You want the working yarn to be taut but not overly tight, and definitely not loose, but just enough that it moves through your fingers as you continue to work. Now the next thing to note is that you want the loops on your hook to be the same size. So be sure to use the shaft of the hook, not just the tip, and keep your hook parallel to your work. If you tilt the hook down, you'll see this loop gets bigger, and if you tilt it up, this loop will be smaller. So always try to keep it as horizontal as possible for consistent stitches. Let me show you that again. Grab the working yarn with these 3 fingers. Pick it up with your index finger and pinch to control the tension. Taut but not too tight. Use the shaft of the hook at all stages, not just the tip. Don't tilt your hook down or up, as this affects this loop, and try to keep your hook horizontal. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please like and subscribe to see more, and feel free to leave a comment, and I will see you next time.